Hi everyone. So I'm back again to today do a new project. It's all called string art with acrylic paint and glue and everything. So this is the project we are going to do today. It's so amazing and you will be love it. This is I'm using acrylic paint. I will be using glue and this kind of. So this one also I had done with that. You can see much more different colors. Colors, it's up to you which colors you're going to use. It's up to you, but I'm going to stick with white color for the background because it's you guys can see the picture properly. That's why. So this art is so amazing. I love it because very easy, simple, nothing hard for you to do. It's very easy. So I hope you guys will be enjoying. Let's start to do this art. So for the starters, you need normal white glue. So I use normal white glue like this way, and I like to have a transparent cup. You can use any kind of disposable cup for that. And what did I do? I mix acrylic paint onto that, and then you need some strings like normal, you can see, or if you don't have that, you can use a little bit thicker yarn. So that's good also. So sometimes I use these yarn strings. It's very good. It's very pulling and much more harder and little bit thicker, but it's very good. So I use those one. And to do the background, you will need a knife or something like a big brush or anything, so the paint will be sprayed. What did I do? I use normal acrylic paint and I mix with glue. So for the background, you need little bit extra glue. For the starters, you keep a wet wipe near you in case you will be spilling, because this paint is with lot of glue and paint. I will recommend you to put something in the back on the canvas so it will be not spreading everywhere and going. So for example, I always keep something old below it, so if the paint is going to not go to the table, so go to the old. So this one will be for paint. So I'm going to use 3 different colors like blue, and I have a little bit touchy with the purple, so I will see how it's working, and I will mix red color. So you can use the 3 to 4 colors, it's up to you. And I'm going to add little bit red color and use a popsicle stick or even paintbrush, but because it's have glue, I will not recommend you to use a paintbrush into the glue and mix it. Use a stick, it will be much more easy. So when it's mix it together, it should be look like this way. Okay, so this is for that. This for the strings, I will keep it side and put the string, but keep apart so you can hold it. So put the string when you put it inside and leave it for few seconds. I will recommend like that way, because so the string will soak lot of paint onto that. So you see like this. So make sure you leave it for a few seconds. Still leave that in a side. I will recommend you to use the background. So I'm going to use white color paint. I already mixed the glue and white color together. Please, if you have any question, ask. Glue is the reason we using glue. It's very nice, the effect that we get, the lines, because of the glue. That's why. So I like these lines to come properly, the white color lines. That's the reason I'm using the glue, because I tried with polyacrylic liquid. It didn't work. It was much more like thinner. I didn't like it. So you will spill all the glue onto the glue and paint mixer onto the canvas, and first you will spread it out. So of course you can use the stick also instead of the knife, and you will just spread it out. I know you need a lot of glue and paint to this one, so you should have little bit extra, not too extra, but little bit extra. So you will keep moving your hand like this way. The full canvas should be filled with glue and paint mixer. I'm trying to not to spill it. So normally I use white glue. Normal white glue is totally fine. I will show you a bottle. Sorry. And this is the glue I use, normal white glue. This is fine. If you don't have any other normal white glue, it's very good. It's totally fine. I never tried any other glue. I bought this, is very cheap and very good, because once the paint is mixed with the glue, it will not show a big difference, so you don't need to worry. Use normal white glue. So this brand is very cheap and you can find in so many shops. So even the acrylic paint, sometimes you can use like not too expensive brands. You can use little bit different brands, much more cheaper, totally fine. You don't need to use like the same brand that I'm using. Of course my brand little bit expensive. So I will keep the knife in a side. So see, now all done with glue. So now the technique is, you decide how you want the flowers. So you want red color flowers like this way or like this way, it's up to you. This is you. So I'm going to do like long lines, that's why. So I will start with, I think I will go with blue. So use a stick so you can hold it. When you take the paint, you like hold it like this way. If you see, the string is going up. So okay, now like letter S, like a wave way, you will do the design. So if you see now, this part of mine, there's no paint. You can do is, you can take little bit paint to your stick or brush, anything that you're using. Just put little bit paint onto that area, so it will be straight. So it will be not leaving too much white color on that part. That's why. Don't put too much, just put little. And you can do is now slowly pull it up, down. So you see, and put the string back, so in case if you want again to use, and keep it in the side. So that's the way it will be coming. So you can see here, I cannot raise it too much, because you know background glue is too much, it will be dripping and going, so I don't want that. I will use now red color, same way. So thank you so much, you guys are watching my video. Don't dance. That's the thing. It's a little bit hard. Sometimes string is dancing. So I like this red and blue color effect. I tried already and it came nice. So okay, we'll try it now. So same technique, same way you will pull it down. So I will put it back, but still you can play. If you want to go overlap, please go overlap, it's totally fine. I want to do one overlapping. So you know the technique, you mix first glue and that's why I told you to keep a wet wipe or something damp, anything near you, so you will not spill any paint anywhere. So you just, if you like, you can do more over it, not only one. But it's better your string it's soaked with glue and paint together. Don't use a dry string, it will be not working, because you have to have a little bit extra paint. That's very important. So if you see, I'm going like a letter S, going up and down like that way. So then you will quickly, not too quickly, but you can pull it red and keep it in the side. So I will add another one. And remember one thing, if you want to use again, you can of course wash the strings and use it, but glue you cannot, because once after few hours glue will be drying quickly. so you cannot, but you can use in a different, you can try this one in wood, board, anything, cardboard, not only on a canvas, you can do it on wood also. So always keep like 2 to 3 seconds, keep it and then start to pull it, because see, it came nice because blue color was in the background. Okay, so this is my last try. So this is the way it's coming. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson. If you want, I will repeat again. You can use normal white glue, as I said, this kind of normal white glue, and you can add little bit glue, paint and glue together and do the background. So depends on the background. I did white color. You don't need to do white color. You go for some other color. This one, you see, it's done with yellow color. If you like, you can try with different color. So once you do it, then you will mix the colors together, different colors, different balls, separate balls. Remember that, don't do in the same ball, it will never work. So you can use like 2 to 3 colors, it's fine. If you use a lot of colors together, make sure you have to have patience. So because most of the time 2 color mixing getting third color, like this flower, it's almost like little bit purplish giving. Here, see, this is the way. So you always have to leave it flat. So this is my finishing. I cannot raise it now, because my background is still not dry. It can drip and come down. So once you do it, you leave it for like 3 to 4 hours. It will be 100% dry. And I hope you enjoy. Oh, I so love to teach this part. I hope you guys enjoying. Thank you so much for watching me. If you have any question, please, you can of course go to the Instagram and message me and ask anything what you like. Thank you for watching me. See you tomorrow with a new project.